Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Hopefully everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. And you can get one of these at a low cost. And fast and free shipping. Can't beat that. Check out their other goodies they have to offer. Besides this item. Coming from TORRAS on here, Amazon. And we got here TORRAS, simple but unique case for smartphone. Let's see what kind it is. Ooh. Has a kickstand right here. These are always nice to have. I like these. Let me see if this. I guess. Just grab my other phone. I got a sneeze coming up too. Oh man. Let's see. I think this is for the iPhone 12. Okay, give me 1 second. Alright guys, there it is. Got the kickstand. You can have it positioned like so. Like that. Really nice. But definitely check these guys out, TORRAS. And you could get one of these. I'm going to take that off really quick. iPhone 12's kickstand. Really cool. See-through. Perfect. And then if you use a flashlight, it'll light up too. Kind of like that Quantum Leap thing they had, a GEEK. So really nice kickstand, guys. Watch your movies, watch sports, like so. There you go, iPhone. Oh yeah, there's a Pro Max. But they got other ones too, so check them out. And I think they got Androids also, so see what other goodies. Great stocking stuffers. Maybe last minute gift ideas for this holiday season. So definitely check them out. TORRAS, links down below. Have a great weekend. Be safe.